Hello, thanks for stopping in again. Appreciate you watching. Have you ever been shopping for a home and then you find out that you might not qualify based on today's lending guidelines, but you know you can make the payments? It's just kind of frustrating that lenders won't lend to you because of something that because of your credit scores, or maybe because you've got recent bankruptcy, or who knows what your scenario is, okay? Or you don't have a 2-year work history. There's a good one. Um, but you know you can make the payments and you just want to be able to buy the house. Well, there's another option, which is seller financing, and I wanted to take you through what that is. It's basically where you're buying a home from someone, and rather than give them all of the money up front to buy the house, which is what's happening when you get a mortgage from a bank, the bank is cutting a check to the seller of the house and they're walking away with the money. Okay, what you would do in that case is they would be the bank. You'd provide the down payment to the seller, and then you'd have an agreement, a mortgage note with the seller, whereby you'd agree to an interest rate, you would agree to whatever the down payment is, and then you'd have to make payments to the seller. So you'd be the owner of the home, but the seller of the home would have a lien on the property for the mortgage amount, and you'd make payments to them. Now, the great benefit to you by doing this is typically sellers of homes don't have lending guidelines, so they're not going to be giving you a hard time about, well, your bankruptcy isn't exactly 3 or 4 years old yet, and you don't have a full 2-year work history and all those other things. So and also the down payment might be flexible, the interest rate might be flexible. You actually might pay more on the interest rate as an incentive for the seller to want to do this for you. But again, that's where the benefit is for you. Now here's the tough part. The tough part is finding someone who's willing to do that. You have to find someone who probably owns the home outright, that doesn't need all of the money right now, that wouldn't mind earning interest on their money from you, making mortgage payments. But it is an option for you if you can't qualify for a traditional mortgage. If you have not been able to qualify for a traditional mortgage because other lenders have turned you down, then we might be able to give you a hand there, because there are a lot of other creative lending options out there that most lenders do not have access to. If that's the case, let us know, and we'll do our best to help you there. We'll also be able to help you walk through owner financing, or seller financing, whichever term you prefer. Help you, guide you through that process, what you can expect, and then down the road help you to refinance, to pay off that seller, to get them out of your life, so that way you could have a new mortgage with a real bank or real lender, and break away from the prior owner at some point with a refinance once you have the ability to get a traditional mortgage. So again, the key part is negotiating the purchase price, negotiating the terms of the loan, having a signed document, a mortgage note with the seller. But again, the hardest part is going to be finding someone that's willing to do that. If you can ask your realtor too, are there any homes in the market where seller financing is available? And then just go look at those homes. That at least gets you into the house that you might be interested in. I hope this helps. If it does, please hit that like button and subscribe button, and come back to watch future videos. If you're watching this on the website, please enjoy reading the rest of the article, and I hope you have a great day.